In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to fix any issues with your MacBook Bluetooth component. So first thing you want to do is you want to make sure the Bluetooth icon is up here. And the way you make that appear is by going to System Preference and then go ahead and look for Bluetooth. And then you want to enable the Show Bluetooth in menu bar. Alright, so from here, what you're going to do is you're going to hover the mouse over the Bluetooth, and then you're gonna hold Shift and Option and then press on the Bluetooth icon. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on Debug, and there's several things that you could do here. You could reset all of the connected devices that you connected to Bluetooth. You could remove devices or reset the Bluetooth module, which is the one that we want. So you go ahead and press on that one, and it's gonna ask you, you sure you want to do that? You click OK. And once you do that, then the next step is to go over to Go. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and press the Option key and press Go. So that way this library folder will appear. Click on that folder, and then what you're gonna do here is you're gonna go ahead and look for a folder called Preference. Double click that, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna search for this specific module here. So it's gonna be com.apple.Bluetooth, and then on the search just put Preference. Alright, you're gonna get this plist document up here, and what you want to do is you want to go ahead and delete that. So once you delete that and you restarted the Bluetooth module on and off and on, then what you do next is you restart your computer. After you restart your computer, you could try connecting your Bluetooth device, and it should work after you do these following steps. Alright, well, thank you for watching. If you have any issues, questions, leave a comment below, and please subscribe to my channel.